Unlocking teamwork. The power of together as a team. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's simple yet profoundly impactful. Together as a team. This phrase is more than just words. It's a mindset that can lead to remarkable achievements. Whether you're learning English, working on a project, or part of a sports team, understanding and applying this concept can make all the difference. So, let's explore what it truly means to be together as a team. Together as a team signifies unity and collaboration. It's about combining efforts, skills, and ideas to achieve a common goal. This phrase underscores the idea that no one is working in isolation. Everyone's contributions are valued and necessary for success. It emphasizes the strength found in diversity and the power of working cohesively. Being together as a team is crucial because it fosters an environment where everyone feels supported and valued. This sense of belonging can lead to increased motivation, creativity, and productivity. Teams that truly embody this phrase are often more resilient in the face of challenges and can navigate obstacles more effectively because they leverage the diverse strengths of their members. 1. Communicate openly. Effective communication is the backbone of any strong team. Sharing ideas, giving feedback, and expressing concerns in a constructive manner can help prevent misunderstandings and build trust. 2. Respect each other. Recognize and value each team member's contributions. Understanding that everyone has unique skills and perspectives encourages a more inclusive and productive team environment. 3. Support one another. Be there for your teammates, not just in times of success but also during challenges. Offering help, encouragement, or even a listening ear can make a significant difference. 4. Share goals. Aligning on common objectives ensures everyone is moving in the same direction. It's important that each member understands how their role contributes to the broader team goals. Together as a team is more than just a phrase. It's a philosophy that can lead to incredible achievements. It highlights the importance of unity, respect, and shared goals. Whether in educational settings, the workplace, or personal projects, embracing this mindset can unlock the full potential of any group endeavor. We hope this video has inspired you to foster teamwork in all areas of your life. Remember, great things happen when we work together as a team. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.